Hi guys, naghahanap ka ba ng pangmalakasan na fine dining and social na restaurant sa isang hotel? Well, I got you covered. I-share ko sa inyo ang isa na namang budget-friendly and affordable na buffet restaurant sa isang hotel dito sa Quezon City. As low as 480 pesos per head sa adult and 350 naman for kids. Ay makakakain ka na sa isang social and fine dining na hotel restaurant na budget-friendly and affordable. Kaya if nagkikrave ka ng Chinese-style buffet na eat all you can, this vlog is for you. Tara guys, tuturo ko na sa inyo. So ayan na nga guys, today is Sunday and we are again craving for another Chinese buffet. So andito na naman tayo, second time na namin dito kumain ng lunch buffet. Dito lang yan sa Aberdeen Court or the Great Eastern Hotel. So dito tayo ngayon kakain ng lunch buffet. Second time na namin ito dito kumain. So this is another budget-friendly buffet restaurant and hotel at the same time. So yan, park na tayo dito sa parking ng hotel. So actually guys, free lang yung parking dito kapag dito kayo kumain sa hotel. So yan, dito tayo ngayon nakapark sa second floor. So this is along Quezon Avenue. So yan yung mga cars along the main road. So yan guys, walking na tayo and punta na tayo sa may elevator. Mag-elevator tayo pababa, going doon sa kanilang restaurant area. So yan, lakad tayo. So nakikita nyo na ba yung signage na yan? So that's the Aberdeen Court. And dito naman guys, sa kabilang side, sa left side, ito na yung kanilang elevator going down. So yan, so pasok na tayo dito sa kanilang elevator. Then yan, dito naman guys, nagwo-walk na tayo papunta sa kanilang restaurant. Come on, follow us. So yung ibang cars is nakapark dyan sa side pero wala nang parking kaya doon na kami sa second floor nagpark. So the Great Eastern Hotel. So pasok na tayo sa loob. So ito yung kanilang reception area and dito naman sa my right side, andyan yung kanilang restaurant. So, dyan tayo papasok sa loob. So, yan o. Pasok tayo dito sa door na to. Going to the restaurant. So, yan. Dito na tayo sa loob. And this is their restaurant. Diba? Ang daming kumakain. Actually, before, nung first time namin pumunta dito is hindi pa ganun kadami yung kumakain. But today, ngayon, ang daming kumakain dito. So, ito yung kanilang rates is 480 for adult and 350 naman for child or for the kid. Yun yung rate nila. So, this is our table and ito naman yung kanilang buffet area. So, yan, nilalagay na nung kanilang waitress yung pa-table setting, yung utensils, yan. So, dito tayo sa table na to. And ito yung kanilang nido soup. And yan yung mga rice. May two types of rice sila. May plain rice and merong fried rice. Yan naman yung chicken and ampalaya with beef. So yan. Sa kabilang side naman, andyan naman yung lechon Macau or kawale. And then yung sa side may fish din. Yan. Ito yung chicken nila at saka yung meat with ampalaya. Yan yung kanilang fish. And then, ito naman yung kanilang fruit station and dessert station. Yan. So, for me, ang best seller dito and yung favorite ko itong buchi at saka yung leche flan na kulay yellow na yan. So, yan. Yung different kinds of dessert. And kuha tayo ng pineapples. Yan, lagay natin sa plate. And then, dito naman sa kabilang side, ito yung binabalik-balikan namin dito. Ito yung kanilang jelly na parang may fruit cocktail sa loob. Favorite namin yan. So, to the guys, ito yung mga dessert na nakuha ko. 'Di ba? Dessert is life. Yan. So, ito yung plate. First plate ko. And then, kumuha na rin ako ng dessert. Yan. So, kain tayo. Itadaikimasu. So, ito yung kanilang soup. Yan, masarap rin yan guys. Talagang Chinese style. So, ito naman yung siomai. So, masarap yan. Very meaty rin. At saka parang ano yan homemade nila or sila yung gumawa. Yan. So, again, check ulit natin. So, yan yung chicken nila. Kakalagay lang ulit. Actually, mabilis silang mag-refill dito. So, while eating, na-observe ko na yung kanilang waiter and waitresses is every now and then is nag-refill sila ng kanilang mga food dito sa buffet table. So, yan guys. So, ang daming kumakain. So, again, kung kakain kayo dito, must try talaga yung kanilang gelatin na yan. Masarap yan. And yung kanilang mouth-watering and mainit pa na buchi. Ang dali rin mauubos niyan. So, yan yung aking mga nakuha na dessert. Yan yung top 2 favorite ko. Yung yellow jelly na yan. And nasa loob niyan may mga fruit cocktail bits. May fruit bits. Yan, masarap talaga yan. And yung kanilang buchi. And of course, healthy. Yung kanilang fruits. May papaya, may pineapple. And then, ito naman guys, yung kanilang tiramisu. Best yan partner ng coffee. So, ayan guys, tapos na nga tayo kumain and mag-order naman tayo ng coffee. So, yan guys, marami nang nag-uwian. So, pakita ko sa inyo yung price list ng mga beverages niyan. Screenshot nyo na lang. By the way guys, yung kanilang beverages ay hindi kasama sa buffet. Ang kasama lang sa buffet nila na 480 ay yung kanilang 1 round ng iced tea. So, kung gusto mo maging bottomless yung iced tea mo, plus 50 pesos ka. So, yan, we decided na umorder ng coffee. So, nag-order kami ng cafe mocha, it's 70 pesos. And nag-order rin kami ng cappuccino na 70 pesos din. So, reasonable naman yung price ng kanilang coffee. Between the two, I highly recommend yung coffee mocha. So, ito na guys, yung coffee mocha natin. And yung cappuccino. So, best pair yan dito sa tiramisu. So, ayan guys, pauwi na tayo and tapos na tayo kumain. So, if you're looking for a budget-friendly and social na buffet, this is a place for you. Isa to sa mga pangmalakasan na Chinese buffet dito sa Quezon City. And at the same time, masarap yung food as low as 480 pesos for the adult rate and 350 pesos naman for children 4 feet and below. So, they open there. So, yung buffet lunch nila is open every day from 11 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. So this is another budget-friendly and affordable buffet for you. I hope you learned something for today's vlog natin. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to my channel, Froggy Bear Travels.